Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be scallop fried rice. Previously, we have shown you the lumpy fried rice. You'll see more on the videos up here. As promised, this is another video showing you how to make the rice separate. And without further ado, it's cooking time. And here are the ingredients you will need. Well, there's not much preparations to be done for this fried rice. You just need 2 bowls of overnight rice. The reason to use overnight rice is to let all the moisture disappear in the fridge. This will make the moisture as little as possible, which is very important when cooking fried rice. Next, you soak up 4 to 5 large dry scallop around 2 hours before, and when it's softened, break them up into small strands. We have used frozen mixed vegetable over here, so get a handful of it and defrost them. You can also prepare them fresh too. Just get some corns, carrots, peas and mushrooms if you want, and that's all for our ingredients. So let's start cooking now. Alright, in the wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, what we are going to do now is we are going to stir dry the scallops and the mixed vegetables, because you soak them, so there's a lot of moisture over there. Purpose of this is to make the fried rice as dry as possible, so the rice will be separated and not lumpy like the previous video. So at low heat, add in the dry scallop. So just continue to stir and make sure that your heat is really low, the lowest, so that you will not get your scallops cooked before the moisture can actually dry out. You just continue to stir and stir until you can see the moisture is gone. And so you are done here. So just set them aside, and we will go for the next preparation. So now we will dry the mixed veggies. Add 1 tablespoon of oil at low heat, remember. So when the oil is a bit hot, you can add in all your mixed veggies and stir them until the moisture is all dried out. This step is very crucial because you really want all your ingredients to be very dry. Then you can have all your rice separated, right? And you're done. So now we'll cook the egg. Add in 3 tablespoons of oil. As we always mention, eggs love to drink, so be generous. You'll find that the color of the egg will be better if you add more oil. So add in the egg and put the heat to high. Cook until the eggs is almost around 60% done. Then start to stir them up. Once it's around 80% done, shift them to the side and add in the rice. Okay, you can break up the rice and you don't chop them, just slightly press them and then stir them around, okay? So after you do this step, you mix them up and then you stir and stir and stir again. Remember, the purpose is to make the moisture as little as possible. So once the rice becomes dry, add in the scallop and mixed vegetable. Make sure you are at high heat and continue to stir them and stir them and stir them non-stop. That's what is fried rice, right? So while stirring, you will find that there is some lumpy rice again, okay, in lumps. So just slightly press them and stir them around. It should be okay. Oops! Did you see that? It's the second time. The previous video is the same as well. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and chicken stock powder. Also, you can add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. This is optional, but we actually love this garlic powder. So most of our video, you can see that the garlic powder is always there. You can just add a lot because the taste won't be so strong. So what you do now is stir, 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 non-stop stir. So you want to mix all the spice and your rice together, okay, evenly. So after a few stirs, give it a try. So if it's savory for you, it's done. Alright, now you can see that the rice is separated instead of the lumpy ones in my previous video, right? So thank you very much for watching our videos. Do click like if you like the video, and let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. Subscribe and click on the bell icon and choose all, so you will be updated every time a new video is uploaded. Alright, see ya in the next video. Cheers!